Phone calls, foreclosures, finding a contractor. They're all part of this week's class action lawsuit settlements that could mean money for you. Most of us try not to remember a debt collector. Here's one you should try to remember from Synchrony Bank GE Capital. The accusation is that they
used a robo-dialer to call people on their cell phones to try to collect debts.
That's the allegation. That's illegal. And that could mean you get part of the $7 million settlement if the call happened within the last 8 years. Angies List advertises itself as a place to find reputable contractors and that their providers are positioned in searches based on best ratings from members. But a class action lawsuit alleges
contractors could pay for premium positioning on Angies List.
Angies List now offers a free membership. If you paid for yours during a certain time period, you could get some money back or an extension of that paid membership. HSBC is accused of abusive practices involving mortgage foreclosures. If this happened to you, it's a big one.
There's a great chance that you can get thousands of dollars back from the settlement.
The total settlement is $470 million. The minimum you could get back is $780, but there are many requirements, including a foreclosure process between 2008 and 2012. None of the companies admit any wrongdoing. To see deadlines and qualifications, go to abc15.com, click on sections, and then let Joe know. The Assistance League of Phoenix volunteer team is saving people money every day. You can call, email, or like the Let Joe Know Facebook page to tell me about your problem right there. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.